how to create interactive polls in YouTube community page to get opinions from our video viewer. So let's see how it's done in this video. First, you need to click the create icon in the top bar of YouTube account. And next, click the create post tab from the list of options, which will bring you to the channel's community post page. Here, you can see there are different types of post options. To create a simple text poll, you need to select this option. You can add the poll question in this field. And next, you can enter the options to select one below the other and publish the text poll. And now, let me show you how the text poll will look to YouTube channel viewer, which they can select and give their opinions on what type of video they like to watch more. And done. I will be getting you more videos of different topics like this, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon below the video to get new updates.